Is Drano bad for pipes? The answer is yes, if you use it a lot. These kinds of chemicals make really strong reactions that can eat away the inside of your pipes, damage connections, and over time, cause leaks. Also, if the drain is completely clogged, the product can just sit there and release dangerous fumes. At Full Pro Plumbing, we use safe and good ways to unclog your pipes without hurting them. Got a blocked drain? Call us at 786-627-6642 or visit fullproplumbing.com. Thanks for watching this video. Give it a like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and check out the other videos on the channel. See you soon.